SummaWise is an AI-powered app that helps users quickly summarize information into clear, easy-to-read insights. It supports both English and Thai and works with content from links, files, or live meeting audio. With a simple interface and easy export options, SummaWise makes organizing and reviewing information fast and effortless. Today I'm going to show you how to use SummaWise. Open Google Studio and select SummaWise app. Because this app can summarize meetings, it asks users to allow microphone access. First, provide content. You have 3 options. You can only use one at a time. Paste a link. Enter a URL to a web page or video. Or attach a file. Upload a file. Another way is you can summarize a meeting by clicking the record button to capture live audio from your microphone. Next, choose a language. Select whether you want the summary in English or Thai using the toggle. Then generate. Click the Generate Summary button and let our AI do the work. Here is the result. On the results page, you can download your summary as a PDF. Here's another example. I'll upload a free PDF ebook titled The Secret of Chimney by Agatha Christie and summarize it using the same steps. Instead of pasting a link, click Attach a file. Then, locate the PDF ebook file. Next, click the Generate Summary button. Here is the result. You can download the summarized document and click on the Preview button.